Hey, Honest Wheels back again. Today we're going to do an oil change on a 2013 Honda Accord. And let me show you some of the few tools you're going to need, and let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing you got to do is open the hood up real quick. Take the oil filter cap out. Oh, this is one of those moments where it's tough. A neat trick is you can use the pliers and undo that cap. This helps so it drains the oil down a lot quicker. Alright, once you get that done, now you gotta position the jack underneath the car and lift it up. On this particular car, there's a little metal hump down here, right past the radiator, where it's perfect to lift it in the center. Alright, get the two jack stands. Put it in the pinch weld. Alright. Once you get that position, lower the jack slowly. Alright. Now next you get a phono, put it in the fill port, you get your 5 quarts of oil. This takes exactly all 5. So slowly pour it in there. Wham! Alright. Get the oil filter cap back on. Then go ahead and start the car up. All that noise was the oil pump trying to get some oil through the system. Alright. Now to lower the car, that's very important because you want the car to be flat and level to make sure you get the proper oil level. Once you do that, and the car has ran a few seconds, now you can check the oil level. First, I wipe off the first time and put it back in, and then check your oil level that way. Just right in the money. It's hard to see, but it's just right in the second dot, but it has to be between those 2 dots, then it's good to go. This is a close-up to show you about the oil level right here. You see these two circles? The oil should be in between those 2. Right now it's just right there in the middle, so it's good. So that's how you check the oil level on this, and you just stick it back in. Once that's done, then you're good to go, and you can close the hood. And you're done. Alright, so that's all it takes to do an oil change. Pretty simple, right? Now, keep on following me. I'm going to keep making some more videos of me doing more car work. And I'll see you guys around next time. Honest Wheels, where honesty is key.